Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on Wi-Fi streaming in the Audible app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu, where we have a little bit of overview of the app and some suggestions. From here, we're just going to the profile menu, and the profile menu actually opens up like this. So this is your profile. From here, we just go into the top right corner, tap on the clock icon, then tap on data and storage at the top, and then we scroll down and we tap on stream and download only Wi-Fi, on Wi-Fi only, which means that when the app is trying to download a book, it's going to use Wi-Fi. So it's only going to download a book if it has connection to Wi-Fi, which means that you can save a lot of mobile data by turning this on. And also, when you stream something, so when you listen to the online version of an audiobook that you didn't download, it's only going to let you listen to the book when Wi-Fi connection is available. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.